Today's video is about curved center back seams on our bikini bottoms and also on our swimsuits. So if you want to know why we use curved center back seams, stay with us on the next 2 minutes and learn why. When you buy ready-to-wear items, swimwear items, you will see that most of them don't have a center back seam. And you will also notice that they lay flat on the table. Well, but our bodies aren't flat. And as you know, even if you are working on a non-stretchy fabric, for instance, if you want to do a top and you want it to fit according to your curves, you have to wear some design features to be able to fit the top properly. Well, on stretchy fabrics, we need to do the same. Despite some people think that the stretchy fabrics allow everything, well, that's not the case. You should always wear darts for your tops and swimsuits and also center back seams. The center back seams are curved so that they fit your body and follow along your curves. And that's how you get a bikini bottom or a swimsuit not to have any excess fabric on your bottom and to feel comfortable and nice fitting. And that's it. Now you know why at Bikini Design Club we use a lot of darts and we use a lot of curved center back seams. If you want to learn how to sew the curved center back seams, well, it's so easy. You just place right sides facing together of your fabric, aligning the curved center back seam, and you sew them together on your serger or overlock. And that's it. You will then have one unique back pattern piece ready to be sewn onto the rest of your swimsuit. And that's it for today, guys. See you soon!